In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for interactive brokers. Start by opening your web browser and searching for interactive brokers. Click the official result to land on their homepage. From there, look for the Open Account button. When you see the prompt to begin, click Start Application to launch the sign-up flow. You'll begin by creating your login. Enter your email address, choose a username and a strong password, and select your country of residence. Keep your password unique and stored in a secure manager. Next, check your inbox for a confirmation message and click the link to verify your email. This step is important. The application won't move forward until your email is confirmed. Now choose your account type and service plan. For the account type, you can pick options like individual, joint, or retirement depending on your situation. Then select a service plan. Lite is geared toward casual investors and offers commission-free trading on US stocks and ETFs with no minimum balance, though trade execution may not be optimal. Pro is designed for active traders and professionals, with better trade execution, lower margin rates, and access to advanced tools. If you're unsure, read the plan descriptions carefully and consider your trading frequency and needs. Next, provide your personal and financial information. Enter your full legal name, residential address, and mobile number exactly as they appear on your identification. Add your date of birth, citizenship, and tax residency details, including your tax identification number. You'll also be asked about your employer, source of wealth, assets, and income, along with your investment objectives and trading experience. Answer truthfully and consistently. Mismatches or missing data can delay approval. You'll then complete security and account configuration. Set up security questions and confirm your strong password. Verify your mobile number by entering the code sent to your phone. Choose how you want the account to operate. Cash uses only settled funds you deposit. Margin lets you borrow from the broker to trade. And portfolio margin offers more borrowing power but is intended for experienced traders with substantial balances. Select the one that aligns with your risk tolerance and experience. Before submitting, review everything carefully. Confirm names, addresses, tax details, and selections are correct. Read the agreements and disclosures so you understand fees, risks, and policies. When ready, electronically sign by typing your name in the designated field and submit. You may be prompted to complete a brief mobile identity check, such as scanning your ID and taking a selfie. After that, keep an eye on your email for an approval notice, which typically arrives within a few hours to the next day.